abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
It is still a fresh year, and welcome to the second episode of Enkundleni Exclusive this year, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Guys, Deb3 Events focuses on events planning and management as well as media management. So whatever event that you're planning, be it a commercial event, be it a family event, a social event, church event, every event, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events. Our services include photography, videography, PA system, stage hire, special effects like folk machines if you need them, akhona-ke ukuthi uwathole at Deb3. And also those that needs a rehearsal space for studio recording, akhona ama-services, ikhona i-studio khona lapha at Deb3 Events. Ikho lapha esikhona. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube, and ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual.
Yeah, welcome to the Mango Month. Still interesting. Still interesting, but inyanga isiphela. I think aqalisa ukungena amaziki. But still our recovery go on. So February also becomes part of the Mango Month.
So abantu babedanile emamengweni.
Saziloko sisemamengweni on February. Welcome to the Mango Month. My name is General Leslie. One comment ngobulawayo ukwazi ukuthi abantu bahlekiswa ngaphi njani. Lobani orenya sidlalela. Well, this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs, like I always say, for your graphic works. Like we're approaching Valentine, guys. Labana abathanda izikipa ezibhalwe his queen, her king, yikwandi. His queen. Yeah, konoko izikipa zale zabe zifakiwe ukuthi
He's king. Oh my God, I'm so slow.
konoko asibandlulula nje. Yabona ndaba ukuthi uthanda ngangaphi. So nxa ufuna lawo into zakho ezi-branded, ufuna ukuya surprise ubaby, yabona, visit Okuhle Designs. I think they've got ama-Valentine specials that are going. You need some calendars, umnyaka ngikhona uqala, office calendars, you need to do your office deco, ufaka ama-calendar amahle, branded calendars. Visit Okuhle Designs today, and we've got you covered for whatever that you need. Well, Tina, asilama scandal. Njengezimura.
Izimura lama scandal. Yeah,
too much.
Guys, we're talking about Zimbabwe Music Rights Association, which was formed in 1982 to protect copyrights Zimbabwean music creators. But of late, since last year, they've been trending mostly for the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
Mostly from the wrong reasons. We've seen cases to do with fraud. We've seen corruption. We've seen conflict of interest. We've seen poor governance, all being raised in the media. And I don't think it's a good trail, trail for a company njengezimra. Elama members afika 6,000.
Maybe more than
I think
more than that.
Around 6,000 membership. And it's always training for the wrong reasons. And now we are in 2026. Like I said when we started, it's still a fresh year. Bahle basivulela ngesinye scandal futhi. Yeah. So those that saw it, those that didn't see it, Izimura raised keeper a press statement distancing themselves against the Izimura renewal team. Kati ngoba nabe Zimura renewal team.
Bensazama ukucheck because I'm getting most of my information from Earground. I think Earground, they are hands-on the issue, so most of the information it's from Earground. And on my first days, I remember last year we once spoke about this Zimura, and I would like to publicly apologize because mina ngathi alapha i-ground ingxe bayalwa or ngama-personal because I think i-ground bakunanzelela ama-inconsistency lawana masinya and they started following up on them. So at first kwakusasengani ngama-petty issues and it feel like
No. Remember last year there was an issue I raised
Yeah,
lapha.
ama-band.
Salaries.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
Zimura executives they were
Yeah.
earning themselves thousands of dollars and musicians getting peanuts.
Yeah.
For ama royalties.
So, andobona into yabo ilokhu iqhela. I remember even people that went to represent, not necessarily represent, Auntie Zimura called for a meeting, yama stakeholders, which is abahlabeleli bonke. And unfortunately, because of obvious reasons, not everyone can travel from Plamd to Harare, from Vic Falls to Harare. So there was an issue that was raised last year, why am I meeting in a movie? All right. Because every time most people that get voted into a committee, abantu be Harare because meeting yabse Harare and most of the voters ababe khona ngabe Harare. So why maybe meeting akihambe Falls? Then antandi mina ukuba tribal and regional. I just thought, okay, maybe ngxenye it's something else. But it kept on, like things started piling up, and to see abantu abadala benjabo Chief Wenje really coming out to say abalesidelela. Music yami ngiproduce leyo 2025 and the previous years ngemsebenzi yami sengiyenzile, and those are guys that listen to radio every day. And uyezwa senchayo uyezwa like ba tracker ukuthi nyadlala and then ubusuthola $80.
Yeah, that's something else. and it's funny because they are raising ama fares abo. They're saying bands, is it bands that should be paying $150 per show, raised from the annual $50. That's just too much.
Yeah, that's
from
too
the
much.
annual
Yeah.
$50
to 150 just for
vele
1 gig.
la nxa ukhweza awukhwezi njalo. That's not how you khweza the prices.
true.
So I think that's also another issue ekhozele ukuthi kugcine sokusiba lezimura renewal team.
Yeah, ukuthi they now want to say, okay, nxa ligawu kusenzela idoti. Because benlalele when Chief Wenje was confronting them, that was a good reminder for him to remind them that they are nothing without the musicians. That was a very
but I
perfect
also,
reminder.
personally, I also think ukuthi, well, better late than never.
Yeah.
But ungabona umuntu esefika to an extent yokuthi akasela nhloni yokuli exploit. Akasela nhloni, embarrassment is no longer there, shame is no longer there. It means usegxilile lempande, useyekelelwe wagxila impande zatshona sibile ukuthi usefila angani they are in power and there's nothing that you guys can do.
Yeah.
Ngoba nxa ungabanga that rooted and uzakwenza usesaba la uzayenza uyangeka, you know, kube kuloku consciousness lokhana okukhona. But now I think because abantu laba sebayekelelwe kakhulu, because now I was also checking, I actually read a bit about Zimura and stuff, and you'll find ukuthi they are enemies with everyone.
Yes.
Except the Ministry of Justice, because Kanyangani, that's where they report to.
Yeah.
There's Zimu, there's Zico. There's Zimu, there's Zico, there's National Arts Council, the artists themselves. No one
Is agreeing
abala
with them.
budlelwano obuhle
With anyone.
anyone.
Yeah.
So is everyone wrong and bona ba right?
No,
Yabo.
it can't be like
I
that.
think bona labo they have to make a self-assessment ukuthi, but we are not in good books with all stakeholders. Why?
Then mina i-question engibalayo ukuthi ungakhangela guys that abaku-commit and ngabantu phela laba abahlabelayo abo Derek Mpofu and so on and so on. And so my question is, are those guys puppets? Do we have powers behind them, or they're just being ignorant? Because if we were talking Zimra Garez and sikhuluma ngabona laba abantu laba bahlabelayo like everyone else, laba bastrugglayo that are just lucky to be ku committee. So I committee leana, is it puppets ukuthi liyafakwa nje kuphela and you don't have
But they're
any
eating.
power.
I think they're
or-
eating. Anje abantu kulabanye abangena beslim sebegainile weight. I won't mention names, but kulabanye abangena bengangawe
Yeah.
But kathesi khathesi bayihluleka lokukhuluma ama-voice aphumi ngenxa yamafutha. So they're also eating.
Labo babe beluma khwambana.
Yes, they're also eating. Even as puppets, I think they're also eating.
Yes, babe bephapheta kuhle nje. No, but
Yes.
I think Besi, we had invited someone from Zimura today, Wanyamalala, but Aslanda, Samtinga, and Sambuela, and because Tina asikwazi, and Tina esikufunayo kuba kwazi. So I also posted some messages ama group in ngibuza ama musicians ukuthi since I'm inviting someone from Zimura, what do you expect us to ask them? So since they did not come on studio today, we are really going to make a date, hunt for them and make sure that we get these answers and we give ama stakeholders ama answers about dinga ngoba kunzima ukupheka ingoma kunzima ukupheka ingoma akufanani lokuhamba.
And into that bothers me is the arrogance in the statements, you know. The
Abalandaba.
statements. Iko phela ngikutsho ukuthi ungabona umuntu engasela nhlo fear engasela shame. Usekelelwe wagqila sibili okuzwayo sibili ukuthi usetshonile sibili yabo. So I think that's another issue esitshengisayo ukuthi into leyi iyekelelwe kakhulu.
Yeah. Mina i-advice yami bantu bezimura ukuthi nxa ususuthi yandi faka umganu phansi. Ungabe lokhu udwele umganu ususuthi yandi. Ngoba uyagcina utshokozela emganwini. Abanye bagcine bebulawa indlala. So ungabona ususuthi faka umganu phansi ukwenza into elambileyo la afika kanjani adopha umganu phansi aqasa ukudla because ungezungungu sikhala kakhulu so I think siqhaqheka. And kumele sikunanzelele lokuyizinto kunjalo. A lot of especially ama young artists lab, they're no longer registering with Abozimure and Otora. They're now registering with it's called what? I once had an interview with Lomluche and he was explaining you get your royalties and ungakhangela asoma local companies la and asoma local organizations ngawe south and what and people are rushing there because everybody ukuthi kuncane but kuyabuya.
Yes.
Because those guys have sebephumile beyond South Africa and spreaded Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana.
Because
So the next thing begcina kungela Zimura.
another issue is the emergence of ama channels and allow ukuthi i-channel iyabidlalwa all over. It's being played. You for instance Channel O. You'll find music from the entire of Africa is being played at Channel O. So I think you're right.
And they're right, especially I have to say this, sorry. Especially ama channel ethu ekhaya and kule channel othiwa nguJive. It's under ZBC TV. It plays local mainly and kakhulu local. And mina le chance ukuthi I watch iJive. I stand to be corrected, but I've never came across a Bulawayo video kuJive. And I have a friend of mine who sebenza ZBC ngambuza. Lucky enough yena I think akwazi kakhulu because andilapha kulabantu abenza amaningi engineer wathora. So I asked him ukuthi bra awukhama kuthaywa ingoma zako Bulawayo la kuJive. Wasesithi quality ngahle ngathi wena kungathi abantu beharare bebuye besizoshutwa ngeAfri Art la ivideo le esanda ukukhala ngeAfri Art le landelayo ngeAfri Art then you told me equality ila equality landwa la obusunje uthi equality so angikwazi ukuthi aba submit yini then nxa benga submit batsheleni phela yenzana ama workshop and tell them to submit because maybe they don't even know ukuthi kule Jive then ubona labana abakwaziyo batshelwe mbala.
Bona labana abakwaziyo bangikhona abasubmitayo yiba baphiwa ama $80 on top of that
baphinda baphiwe futhi ama $80 sebekhala futhi so okuyinto kokhona kulunge because the next thing le yini ibuzz ekhangela national broadcasting that was saying siyabuya sizothatha ama decoder lingakathatha ama decoder first include our guys in your content and so that lami ngibe lezili yokubona imali yesigweji ikhala iqeda ukukhala ukukhala umsisi K iqeda ukukhala ukhwezi ngithi lami sembukela iJive because sembona a mix of Gweru Marondiera Bulawayo Plumbed but madoda ama-video akobulawayo maningi kakhulu lintshe otakula ngisho 1 elequality mina karezi ngiyakwanisa ukuqamba 56 ale-quality sharp
even ekasandra
azikhali lezikamama kubenxa
imagine
ijive anti ichaya music injenge-trace ichaya music continuous. It means you can watch ijive for 2 hours and in those 2 hours ungabonanga ngitsho 1 ivideo yakobulawayo that's
something else.
That's something else.
awona bengatshaya usendi hayi
bengatshaya umama. Okay, moving on. We need energy. Dr. Gasol uthe bakithi amahewu lamanzi kunzima ukuthwala fakana ama-eco cash babe bezithengela amahewu lamanzi endleleni ngoba lengeloke libanika amahewu libanika amabhanana kunzima ngapho umuntu uyahamba usuka eCape Town uye eCairo ngapho liyaze lifuna ahambe ethwele amahewu madoda.
Maybe you can tell kulabanye obviously maybe bangakwazi ukuthi uDr. Gasol uyenza ngani.
All right.
Yeah.
uDr. Gasol bathi endurance walk andi because ngiyabe ngafuna ukukhuluma into engayisiyo. So Dr. Gasol is an endurance walk famously known for a long walk to success and long walk to success where he walks from Machecheni eGwanda to Bulawayo on foot every year. It's usually around September. That's where we have the long walk. So it's mainly an advocacy for ama artists. For those that follow Nkundleni, I once brought him in last year, just before the walk, and I talked to him with what are your expectations this year. So we've got again Eddie Bond. Eddie Bond is from States, eh? Yeah,
yes.
And Eddie Bond is working from Cape Town to Egypt, Cairo. So uthe ngena eZimbabwe ungene ngeBotswana and uGasol wahamba wamhlangabeze ePlumtree bahamba bonke. It was 3 of them, another guy from South Africa, I've forgotten his name. So bawoka bazofika koBulawayo batshona bebuka, then uGasol wamphekezela wamchiya ngangale kweborder, I think around Binis waphenduka. So he says he's sorting out some papers, so he needs to rejoin him again. Angazi exactly ukuthi ufuphendukela ngapho uGasol, but ngike ngezwa nje amahongahonge sithi kungani laye ufuna ukuhamba aza efika eCairo straight engcwabeni lika Pharaoh athi Pharaoh let my people go. So the alarm that was raised by abantu ukuthi uGasol is working every year from Machecheni to Bulawayo and
yes
xa ifika koBulawayo semblutika. Then uEddie Bond axa ingena koBulawayo iZBC sifikile olesli sebefikile wonke umuntu sefikile interviewer.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm trying to check for an article. I'm not finding it. Mina into engitouchileyo before we talk about anything else. Our articles, that was if I'm not mistaken, that was Herald. Between Herald and Kiona.
Yes.
They published the story and they say Eddie Bond and James.
James from SA.
From SA.
And a local
artist. And a local artist.
Akalabizo, uGasol.
What the hell is that?
I saw that.
And this guy has been working for years and years, Konala, locally. But you can't even identify him.
And besides working, and let's agree ukuthi uGasol has been playing a very big role in terms of promoting culture. Gasol has always been there emgubheni wenkosi, emklomelweni yenduna uDakamela, eGadat, like anything that has to do with the culture, uGasol is there. uGasol is there in almost every show nxa elemali yokungena. He comes, support, and even when the late Desire Moyoxide passed on and Gasol was in like ukhona emehlweni ethu sonke so and okokuthi we can't call uGasol a local artist. Yeah, we can't do that.
Expect ukubona be play music yangapha, you know.
Umuntu wangapha ebhala a local artist.
This is the same mindset.
Yeah.
The same mindset. Uqamba uzuqambela lapha abavela khona abantu bemzini ubaqambe ngamabizo full names. You know, you've researched a lot, you've researched about them, you've researched their background. Abantu ongakazi babona uhlangane labo emehlweni and umuntu ohlala umbona every day. You can't even mention their name.
The local artist. phela nxa usithi local artist songaba yimi bra wena wehlule ubhala songaba anyone like nxa kunguLeslie oyenzeni into enhle bhalani ukuthi General Leslie lingabhali local comedian anso local
and laye wazikhulumela ukuthi i-attention ayithole this time ngoba selamakhiwa kakaza wazikhulumela
into engayithandayo ngoGasole ukuthi wakhuluma labo bekhona because anti sebetatazela sebezama umu-interviewer wathola lohle wakhuluma khona aba ngithusa mina lokho ngikujayelanga mina nje nxa ngifika la ngiyahlangabezwa abantu abangu-7 and bablutika like ababhali ngakho abakhulumi ngakho bablutika and yena manje indlela ahamba kizo anti abantu bayakhuluma like ndoda lo nxa edlula lawo yabesitshela nge-art esitshela ukuthi support-ana ama-artist and we have people that have testimonies and imatshetsheni karesi silezinto silama-activities awe-art so lama-festival so kulama-awards things are happening khona ngale ematshetshen because one guy is working and asibhali vele that's nonsense akulandaba then u-Eddie uyadlula singakhohlwa ukuthi u-Eddie uyadlula uyadlula vele few days or maybe not few days but in some weeks uyabephumile eZimbabwe eseZambia and owethu simbhala local artist lo usehambile lo
hayi mina okuyinto lokuvela
hayi khona
waphatha shem so yeah
akathinta hayi journalism yakho sigcina singasakwazi ukuthi awufuni into nxa ungafuniyekeli than ukuthi ubhale into engayisiyo
and the good thing is these days okule social media so even if you don't write about me
yeah.
I can always get audience.
Yes.
Whether you ungazungangibhali, gone are the days ukuthi you feel intimidated or threatened. Nxa ama traditional media outlets angathi ignore. Gone are those days.
And
now don't write about me. I'll still get the audience.
And I wanted to say the exact same thing with lingasibhali. Sesifike ku point yokuthi asisali incengi nxa lani lingela ndaba lathi. So lingasibhali. We'll find ways of making sure that our names get to the people. Than ukuthi libhale Eddie Point, libhale James, selibhala local artist. No, lokho akuyenzi lo. Right. Sengishinga nje assistant inspector. Ukushingela ama-earphones.
Into elizayibotshwa bantu bakobulawayo. Into elizayibotshwa. Into elizayibotshwa.
Uinspector uthi sesidiniwe ngokubopha abantu abalama-license. Sitshiya laba bama-headphones ama-earphones but it's true though. Do you know ukuthi i-arrogance elathi thina ama-pedestrian emgwaqweni?
Because the other day I was talking to this other guy. You know, I know this will probably sound wrong to other people, but it's the truth. If you compare Bulawayo, let me use Harare. In Harare, Bulawayo pedestrians are very, very stubborn and arrogant and slow.
Yeah, slanda.
Very, very, very stubborn, arrogant and slow. When nxa uhamba maybe awusozukubona, but when you are driving, that's when you see it ukuthi abantu laba balenkani laba imota ibrekela umuntu. And in Harare there's nothing like that. And also jaywalking is a culture here. Ukuthi umuntu abekwazi ukuthi kumele kube le ndawo lapho engicrossela khona umgwaqo, no? I just cross anywhere lapho engifuna khona. Nithi ngikwenza ngicrossa ngisilantile so which makes the road even longer. I'll cross straight, cross usilantile so. And uthi ucross usilantile unjalo. Ucrossa slow. Asikafiki uma headphones. Asijahanga phela thina kobulawayo. Wanothi nehara. Ucrossa slow. Qede lapho ufaka ama-earphones, bama-headphones.
Yeah, I mean, I think indaba yama-earphones, I saw ngaphansi kwe-post obekuposte khona u-inspector khuluma ngawo ama-issues wona lawa. And bekulabantu akade bechinga besithi umthetho nalowo liwuthatha ngabantu. And sometimes angazi ukuthi sabe silolaka lwethu yina because mina umbuzo wami ukuthi wena wedwa uzwa njani nxa ucrossa umgwaqo i-highway ukuthi imoto zigijima ngabo 80 ushaya ama-headphones awukhangeli ngapha ukhangeli ngawo uyacrossa ubheka ngani inkomo across as well.
And you know what? The funny thing now is that umuntu uyachinga under the post, ignoring the statistics, the numbers of people who died.
And ayakhulunywa khonapho.
Ayakhulunywa, there is a very high figure laphana kuyakhulunywa ukuthi abantu abaningi bafile ngendaba zokuhamba befaka
an average of 46 accidents a month just because of my headphones kuphela. That's a huge number.
Yes, that's a huge
because
number.
We're saying we're losing
Actually,
46 people ngenyanga.
Lama deaths. Hey.
There's too much. There's
It's
too much.
too much. And omunye umuntu abesebuya laphana ecomplain ukuthi likwenzelani. Yibo mahamba slow emgwaqweni bonabo.
Akala daba ve yena ufuna ukugqoka ama headphones. Ama headphones kanti vele ngawo aqoka zokutheni kanti. Because mina ngiyawathanda. But ngwashaka kakhulu nxa ngigijima ekuseni because ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngigijimela khatshana lo mgwaqo. Then ngwagqoka futhi nxa ngisendaweni yokuthi maybe ngiyabhala ama comment ami.
Ukulalela music.
Ngilalela lapha ngiconcentrate and
you know we've seen last year 77 people died. 143 were injured.
ngama headphones.
Ngama headphones. In Bulawayo.
Kuphela.
And Bulawayo has the highest number.
Yeah.
A total of 220 pedestrians were affected citywide. Right? So you see ukuthi Bulawayo vele ithethe cup entweni leyi. Ngoba vele kukhanya ijive siyayithanda kakhulu. Ijive siyayithanda
sile. Yeah, umcimbi omnandi.
So at least three road accidents every day. 3 every day. Ngendaba ama earphones, lama headphones. So bakithi ezinye izinto singagijimela ukuchinga.
Asilungisisene.
Yeah.
Asilungisisene.
Singagijimela ukuchinga, singagijimela ukupopota.
We usually enjoy nxa kuthiwa hey udriver bomtshova, hey abafana bama-fit. We enjoy those topics and sikhohlwa ukuthi umfana we-fit angakuchanga emota ufe. Kungathiwa yi-accident kusasavuka etshova futhi. But wena usofile.
Uyabona. Yeah.
So ngathiwa yi-accident kusasa avuke setshova wena usekho. So let's value our lives. Last week I have to talk about this. Last week mntanami ufunde eCochran and kulomkhiwa ochaye abantwana abangu-2 ku-Zebra Cross.
How?
And sure inhlanhla yokuthi imessage lana yethi ngena ngangikhatshana asomntanami bakithi wachaya but khona ukuthi usengumntanami ngoba ufunda lo mntanami eCochran and ngangikhatshana sure ngabe ngangiseduze because umuntu owayesesinika ama-updates egroupini and esithi abantu labo kukhanya badakiwe.
Eish.
Ngathi yes amapholisa ayafika senzamile lami.
Ngapho drive udakiwe, ngapho pedestrian ugqoka ama earphones.
Ugqoka ama earphones. So imagine ngabe kwakuyi situation enjalo uyabona ukuthi into yakho iphuma njani.
Yeah.
So sicina lathi kucina sokuphambaniseka into eziningi. So asisoze sikulungise konke ka1. But ukulungiseka sikulungiseni. Asireduceni vele. That's the principle of safety. If you can't eliminate, reduce at least. And so asireduceni asikhipheni ama-earphones, asikhipeni ama-earpods, asikhipeni izinto ezisidistractayo, sicrosse kuhle umgwaqo, sihambe kuhle ungafika lapho yakhona, ulayithe i-speaker box, ulalela ingoma. Then when you want your alone time, then faka ama-headphones akho and listen. Fana lo ngabafana lokho or if you go endaweni zeparking ngala okama-skateboard yathola vele cruiser sophambi kwezimoto amathumba amabi ezela la faro ngespeed sakhe se-skateboard and le speed semoto kungahlangana la i-Mincemeat.
I think iyo la enye issue futhi omela
abafana bama-skateboard labana lokhana I think kule ndawo yokuskate enotorale park lapha and indawo leyani lokhu ikhona and ngisho ikhona indawo ya ngoba ngike ngafika recently indawo yokuskate so ayikonto esenda komgwaqo
I think ezinye izinto it's our responsibility ukuthi sizinakekele thina ngokwethu as individuals. It's all up to us to also make sure ukuthi we are safe emgwaqweni because khona ukukhulumayo ukuthi sometimes you find ukuthi udrive udakiwe, you know, kumele anga drive edakiwe but nangu usekhona udakiwe wena lawe
ususifa Sufuna ukufa lawe suyebu umbulele dake awusekho. Yena kusasebenatha futhi. Sibe
So mina personally I fully support indaba yamapolice ukuthi abantu abahamba befaka ama-headphones lama-earphones
$30 fine.
umthetho ubabambe so that they stop doing it.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
and sonke sibe safe, sonke sibe happy. Fika ulalela ama-earphones akho endlini. There is no harm in doing that.
Yeah.
So asibeni safe emgwaqweni bakithi. And also indaba yokuba arrogant as pedestrians. Let's stop being arrogant. Thina vele silama pavement ethu okuhambela. Imgwaqo ngowemoto. So nxa ucrossa laphana, crossa phela masinyane imoto idlule. You know.
Yeah.
I think that's all I can say.
Yeah, so we are making all efforts possible to invite someone from ZRP, maybe spokesperson or someone. We are making efforts because we have issues that we want to touch Lama Police by explaining further with traffic rules and traffic safety. Lokuthi kuhamba njani concerning laba ba my headphones. We want to hear more directly from them abantu bomthetho. Also the new cyber law that has been passed ukuthethisana kuma Facebook lan I think singabiza umuntu wethu yabevele enkambeni will explain deeper about that ngoba mbonile kulezi indawo sibile ukuthiwa kule life sentence wantethisa kubi. I think it was infliction of violence njani life sentence then ngingakumangalela ukuthi nithethisile. So I think ngumthetho okade ungekho kakhulu but usukhona because it was saying that law has officially been passed. So siyabe sibuza futhi indaba ezinjalo ukuthi kanti kwenziwa njani. Then lezethu thina silama grievances wayethu amaningi ukuthi asiphathwa kuhle ngamapolice and not all right. We also want to talk about those and our ongoing topic that we've been talking about ukuthi abantwana sebewona abantwana sebesenza so we want to find out from amapolice ukuthi what measures are they taking, what role should we play thina as abantu. Ngingamdabula umntwana lwana ezama ukungena ngewindi ngimthaye ngembodlela kuhamba njani empilweni yami because mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngumntwana mbonisela. So all those things we will try and unleash maybe on the next episode nxa siyabe senelisile ukuthola maybe a spokesperson from Zimbabwe Republic Police. Then I want to guarantee ama viewers ukuthi we'll be able to get someone that will come sike sincokole laye apha and just find ukuthi sixoxisane. So lawe nxa ulento obona ngathi this has to be addressed ngamapolisa, remember uyafaka comment section ukhuluma ukuthi mina lokho kungihambi kuhle kumbe lokho waye kunje, and we are going to talk about everything and anything. That's how we do it at Enkundleni Exclusive.
wazwayendlala kahle wazwayendlala yacaca. So this marks the end of today's episode Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Sibonge kakhulu guys ukuthi libukelile and sibonge futhi ukuthi lilokhe lilathi, like I said, it's a fresh year ukuthi lilathi eminyakeni emutsha ku 2026. Please do not forget to share the link so that others can also watch njengawe, and also do like and comment. Ama comments siyawabona and siyawabona ama comment and siyawa appreciate. Siyazama ukuthi siphendule kwasisikhathi nje kuyasikhutha but we always try ukuthi siphendule ama comments and also please do follow Deb3 Events across ama social media pages, that is Facebook, Twitter, which is now X, TikTok, ikona Enkundleni Exclusive. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ikona khona lapha ibhera mbekhiye
ibhera notification usubscribe ubomvu uyabe zihlala
subscribe uyedwa uzihlalele khompana ubhaliwe ukuthi subscribe. Do subscribe so that you don't miss anything. You don't miss anything from us. So silama shows in this week.
Yeah, kule activity kobulawayo but okunye kusase ngamahungahunga okunye kwaphumela egcekeni. For now I think comedy is leading with 2 ama roast back to back, one roast ngoMarch, one roast ngoApril. Interesting, ngizwela kakhulu aba roaster ngoApril because nxa uroaster ikhiwa meluli roasting ngesikhiwa and la ufaka black pepper umarinate so and parithina manje amagwala we are roasting okhaya pardon live high popular ama prizes ukuthi kuyabe kungenwa ngemalini, not all it's an exclusive live event, so basabhizi basadila lempinga zabo before they tell us ukuthi lathi esifuna ukukholisa sesingena emalini. I think ama-prize abe phumile this week, then sonke will flock into it and enjoy. Then so that is 20th of March. Then ngo-11 April live eBulawayo Theatre sabe siroster umeya wethu umlungisi uDavid Coltart. Ama-panelist aphumile, yeah, it's a story for another day, but ama-panelist aphumile. Tickets are going for $10, kule $20 i-VIP yabile plata, kule $50 i-VIP yabile kunye lo plata. Ukuthi uplata utshona bakangichasiselwe ntando, ngizababuza ukuthi uplata utshona, but kuthiwa babe kule plata. So wena ungabuya la ule yakho iplata angazi, sabe siplata kompana zilo David Coltart. So mark your dates if you want to laugh your lungs out and you want healing for your ribs and breaking of your ribs again. Angazi ukuthi which one is which. 20 March, we are at High Popular, the roast of Kaya Padwan. 11 April, we are at Bulawayo Theatre, the roast of David Coltart. Tina Zischa Pansi, from me, Uchinaya Leslie, Lonontu Tuzongube, City Salbona, Sngalkange.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndabe sekudwini